back to the NBA, our daily top 5 plays from Mondays.
Posey, final seconds, has to put up a shot.
Posey, it's good. Posey looking for his second ring in 3 years at 4. Rajon Rondo doing this.
As we wind down the second. Rondo flips it up, in, and a foul. Top shot from Rondo.
At 3, Jason Maxiell had 2 of the top 3 plays.
Poked away by Hunter. Here he does it again. Usually comes in, gets a quick steal. Back to Maxiell. Energy from the bench.
At 2, it's Boston's turn. Rondo to Garnett.
You guys always talk so much about closing out halves. Alley-oop to Garnett. Perfect pass. Rondo to Garnett.
And at 1, Jason maxing and taxing
Before the
KG.
game, he felt timing was off. Nice pass. Garnett. Oh, what a block! Jason Maxiell off the backboard.